So here we are, we're at the North Shore of Hoover. The rough is out there. It's kind of hard to see with the camera and the boat moving, but it is a positive ID. It was only the third time in the past 40 years that a rough has been here on North Hoover mudflats in the fall migration. So really important bird for Ohio. A lot of people are out seeing it. There's several birders from the dike over there observing it as well. So wanted to give you an idea what it's like to come out here and chase a bird, North Hoover, and bird on.